Hi, Tony here from Bath and Spare Parts. Today we're going to be looking at changing a standard flush to a pneumatic flush on a Geberit valve 241.415.00.1. So the first thing is to attach the pneumatic bellows, as you can see here. So these just clip straight down. Like that. Then we've got the clip, which has to go down here. This opens out, clips there. That point there, you can see, leaving the gap underneath. That part is not required. Now we attach the hoses. One this way, and loops up onto that connection. The other one, from above, and that loops up underneath there. So that gives you a dual flush. And then these obviously go to your flush plate connection. So that's it, really.